Hi everyone, it's Gail. I'm here with a super quick little video as requested by my viewers. I am sharing the smoothie recipe. These are just to look pretty in the background. So this recipe is actually from my daughter. So my oldest daughter, I should give her credit, but it is awesome. So what it is 6 ounces of almond milk, 1 banana, 2 scoops of Vital Protein Collagen Peptides, which is in a blue, a light blue jug, about like this at Costco. So it's basically protein powder is what it is. And then 1 tablespoon of almond butter. We use Sunbutter. You could use peanut butter. We don't have peanut butter in our house because our granddaughter is allergic. And then 6 ice cubes. So I'll write it out in the description box, but I just wanted to come on and say thanks for asking. And I wish Mike was there to make each one of you a smoothie in the morning too. So thanks everybody. We'll just see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.